Nervous siguro.
Later, anak.
Nervous eh. Yun, may panas pa na dito.
Extra. Gusto mo?
Ali Brothers.
Thank you po para sa kandidato ba to? May suhol ah. Kandidato yata to.
Sabay na ningin eh. Para kang ano yung sa bus. Nathan.
Wala. Yun o.
Kala mo madinat na bowlers yan.
Yes!
Timeout, Hydra. Hydra. Ready. Grabe na yun.
Oo, matatanong ko nga mamaya kung saan niya binili. Chichikain ko nga si Kuya.
Make a shot.
Wala. Naku.
First foul. Foul number 17. Twenty-seven, okay.
Tayo bakasyon tayo. Hindi rin tayo. Diyan lang. Ba't tayo pa magkakita-kita niyan tayo? Pag ano dyan, together na lang.
Up court.
Ale, open, Ale, open.
Good point. Number 3. Court 3. Number 27. Half court defense. Go down.
Ano sila yung gabi? Nakakalimutan nila.
Nice pass the ball, come on.
Wala pa na yung dalaw.
Ale, open, Ale.
Ano na, sa tune up.
Nakikita nila.
And one.
Basket.
Basket count, foul number 7.
Go for rebound, Ale. Go for rebound. Go for rebound.
Pwede ba lumipat ka sa kabila?
Two team foul, Coach A.
Isang sigaw mo lang yan sa isa.
For a shot.
Napasigaw. Mamaya, pag aray, baka umalis ko.
Up court, up court. Seven. Ale. Hadi. Take a shot. Super.
Hustle ball, Ale.
Ate!
Foul number 3, Hadi. First personal foul, first team foul. Substitution. Sub. Go.
Get the ball, Ale. Get the ball, okay? Go for the ball, Ale.
Last draw, ready jumper. Ali at the 15-foot line. 1 point.
Naka-condition tayo. Wala si Sayo.
Hadi, taking the ball. Penetrating inside. No. Ali again. Ali. Foul.
Yun lang.
Foul number 21 natin. First personal
Umidiretso na rin si
foul.
Ali.
13 foul, 40.
Just relax, Ali. Relax. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time, Ali.
Violation. Coach A basketball. Remaining time 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Our scores 7 Kidla. Ale. Takes the shoot. Hadi. She wanted to take a shot. No good. Rebound Hadi. Takes the shoot.
Grabe ni Ali, MVP! Go Ali! Ayan na, atak na yan!
Last touch. Three minutes, 5 seconds. Ali traveling. Substitution.
2 minutes na lang.
1 minute and 55 seconds.
Nice one!
Stay to shoot.
Oy, galing ah.
Half court, team.
Sabing Ali pala. Adi, Ali.
1 minute and 15 seconds. Number 23. Second personal foul, number 3, Haji.
Hindi, master yan ni Victor. Master niya yung intro.
Hindi
Go,
natin,
Victor, relax.
hindi natin alam sis, hindi niya to court. Relax anak, relax. Coach naman eh. Op! Yun, dali! Op! Ay, sayang. Foul ulit. Foul ulit.
Foul number 7, Shimalik.
Yun na.
We can use it for the Williams time.
What happened?
Tucson, Hyderabad Basketball. Our score 10-7. 3-point lead, court A.
Go in the middle, Ale. Go in the middle.
Nice one, Arene!
55 seconds.
Wala si Areli! Wala si Areli! Wala si Areli!
Take the shoot. Time. Take the shoot.
Wag!
15 seconds. Foul 23. First personal foul. 14 foul. Court A.
Ale, go for it.
Remaining time 9 seconds.
Ang daming pwedeng shot.
And at that point, quarter. Our score. Ready?
Ready! Kasi maliyom na to.
Happy.
Oh, nice one.
Super.
Ay, ay.
Tapon sa bawah.
Shoot!
practice. Substitution. Stop. Alex go. Okay, you muna. Penetrating inside, in and out, rebound, doctor. Oh, timeout, Cozy.
Hey, galing. Go. Okay lang yan, sis. Dalawa tayong ano. Sana mo gumaling, hindi siya. Ano?
Ay, nag-start na naman sila sa
Start na siya
ganyan.
gumaling ah. Kala mo lang siya. Kala mo. Ay! Ano yun? Ano yun? Funny. Funny eh. Yes! Ano yung ginawa niya? Ilan kaya ng bola? Ilan kaya ng bola sa paa? Ilan kaya ng paa?
Ate!
Ay!
Jump. Hydra basketball.
Ay! Galing.
Galing na siya?
Ay! Oops, out of bounds.
Line ball.
It's okay, Sean.
Haribo Cruz.
Yes!
Ganon. Tambak na. Wala na yan ha.
Hindi na kaya mag-bully yan. Oo. Okay, ulit. Wow! Nice! Pag-ganun-ganun.
Yun!
Ay! Galing! Yes! Mga nakakondisyon.
Substitution.
Laking bonakid.
Nalaking bonakid.
Pasok po.
Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na.
Ayan.
Nathan, rebound.
Wow, galing ni Sean.
Goal. Shimali. There's a foul.
Kasi
Foul number 12. Substitution. Number 12 out.
Oo. Inilipad yun bago sila nang mag-swimming.
Two shots for Shimali. Hakor. Alex.
Ay, lampas niya.
Sisi the line. 2 minutes on the clock.
Na-rebound na. Na-rebound si Abdul. Si Soya. Si Abdul na-rebound. Ano lang na.
High ball.
Kaya ka. Ay, naiya si Reggie. Bakit? Bakit? Hindi ko alam.
Nakaano pa. Nakaano pa siya. Nahiya nga ako. Hindi nga ako makailapad.
Shimali.
Nice one.
Last touch.
Sorry, coach.
No response for only number 27.
Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Yes. Good one, boys. Good one. Take your time. Take your time. Grip in, grip out.
Sis, okay ka lang dyan?
Second throw for Ali. 2-2.
Run, Ethan! Run! Run!
Ala, di bibitawan yan. Nice one, Abdul! Go, Abdul!
29 seconds.
Ay, malakas.
Upward.
Yes, yes. Nice one, Marami.
Certain seconds.
Nice one.
Go, 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 Ethan! Go!
5. Foul number 13. There is a foul. Question.
Go, Relly. Yan. Uy, lumabas.
Third quarter. Hydra basketball.
Nak, change court na yan. Change court.
Change court!
Ganda na kasi.
Sayang.
Hadi. Si Hadi.
Nice one, Gerald.
Ay, sayang. Ay,
Ay, isa pa. Isa pa, Victor!
ay! Wow. Bang, bang. Oh, ganda ng ano yun.
Foul Isan.
Oy.
Ay! Ah!
Layong ano para
Parang wala sila sa ano ngayon, ano?
Hindi parang layo.
Saan? Ano malayo?
Yung pwesto natin para layo.
Oo. Shoot!
Half court. Half court defense.
Go, ate! Push now! Shoot! Ay! Ay!
3,000 mo. 3 seconds.
3,000 seconds.
Hadi.
Push!
Half court. Defense to shoot.
Nice one, Victor!
Foul 22. First personal foul.
Go in the middle. It's your ball. Allez, go in the middle. Go in the middle. Go in the middle.
Labanos, bakit
Ask
Labanos?
for ball. Open up your hand. Open your hand.
No double team. Take your man. No double team. Number 30.
Yes!
Score is 33-13.
Dribble.
Ay!
Sayang.
Ang lakas din para tumakbo.
Traveling.
Travel.
Substitution. Okay, go. Inside. Alex.
Dali ni ate ha. Uy!
Last start. Hydra.
Ay!
Yes!
What happened?
Nangyari, hindi ko nakikita.
It's okay, it's okay.
Patrick ba yun?
Allez, now catch this spot. There's a foot.
Lamang na tayo eh. O, sige na, pagbigyan na lamang naman na eh. Hahabol pa ba nila yun? 20?
There's a whistle. Nice foul. Foul number 43. First team foul.
Masakit ang ulo ko.
Ay, nako, isa pa. Yes.
Again.
Ay! Ojedo! Yes!
High number 6.
Kami naman ang dalayo.
Narinig na kanina.
Nakaka-outfit yung ano, high lang pa rin naman.
Pwede ba siya siya?
Pwede pagbigyan
Pwede
na.
naman.
Pero sa 2011, kasi papayagan si Arely. Kasi last time pinapupunta si Arely.
11. Si Liam sa amin pwede sa akin. Sa movement. Kasi may kamakta kasi.
There's a foul.
Number 7.
Foul number 7. Second personal foul. Third team foul, Coach A. Jump ball.
Ay. Ano nangyari?
Simple. No double team. Dintar.
Galing ni Victor!
Ay! Nako, palimangan doon. Foul na naman number 7.
Shimali, second personal foul. Third team foul, highest.
Ano ba yung laban ng grupo? Ano yung photo?
Isa lang, yes.
1 point.
Yan na pala.
Hadi. Wala. Hapot kibel.
Ay! Ay! Isa pa. Ay! Wala!
Wala talaga.
Ay!
Hindi ko nakita.
Hindi naman sinasadya.
Go, Abdul! Defend!
Hey, touch team!
Kickball.
Ang galing ni Abdul ah.
Hapot.
Ayun, ganyan-ganyan si Diego. Ganyan si lumaban si Diego. Ang galing!
Number 2.
Ay! Isa pa! Ay! Isa pa! Ay! Naku po! Isa!
One nice sporting. Of course.
Ay! Naku, na. Go, Nathan! Shoot! Ay!
Hapot. Inside. One minute.
Just yan. Ay! Oh.
Foul Ali. Both teams warning for penalty. Ali second personal foul.
Wow! Isa pa yan. Yes!
Stepping the line.
Sila bonus ang binabantay ng referee. Shoot! Yes!
Galing!
Galing niya pulot. Ako, wala. I don't know. Wala akong ginawa. Ang galing eh.
Foul number 8.
I don't know. Wala akong ginawa. Kunyari ka pa, Abdul, ha? Wala akong
Present
ginawa.
penalty. Present Hendra. Number 24.
Go for rebounds. Ale, go for rebounds. Ale, go for rebounds. Go for rebounds.
Yes.
15 seconds. 10. All score 13.
Ano man, 3-3.
Nice block by Yellows.
Ay, naunto.
Take ball.
Oh, ano yan? Kala ko super, laging tubig.
Steal by Gray.
Pilista na yan.
Ay, sayang.
And there's a foul. Foul number 24 hit to the head. Number 24, second personal foul. First shot, good.
Tutor talaga si Sean sa ano eh.
Master niya na, no?
Oh, master na niya yun.
Kanina sa mga. Sarap. Lima lang sila yata.
Sinasabi sa'yo.
Second shot, also basket.
With action.
7 minutes remaining in the fourth quarter. Team by Gray.
Galing! Go, Uno! Oy! Nice one! Ayan. Ay, nagpapabuwal? Papabuwal siya para matawagan ng ano. Oh.
Same ball.
Lumuhot. Very good. Ay! Yan mo na.
Up, and there's a foul.
Ulit si Patrick.
Who's foul rep?
Patrick.
Foul number 12.
12. Hindi pala. 12 pala.
Number 12, that's your second personal foul.
Sino yung number 12?
First shot, basket.
Si ano pa. Si Sean ba? Oh, si Sean. Shoot mo na yun.
Second shot, good to have a two by number 3.
Good. Ayun ang sumigaw niyan. Ayan, dire-diretso lang. Yes!
Basket and one. Foul number 24 into the head. Number 24, that's your third personal foul. 2 team fouls for yellow team. Bonus free throw for number 12.
Oh!
Another foul. Foul number 26. First personal foul, 13 foul.
Tapa din, no?
First shot, no good.
Parang high school na.
Second shot, basket shot. Foul fouls, great ball.
Ay?
Good block by yellow team.
Nice one.
Out of bounds, same ball.
Ang galing ito.
No double teaming. Guys, no double team. Stage 5. pink ball.
Ang pogi ah.
Out of bounds, green ball. Substitution. Out of bounds, yellow ball.
Still the ball.
Nice move. And there's a foul. Foul number 8.
Si Abdullah. Nalulungkot siya pag napapaw.
Substitution.
Parang
Ang mukha na. Eh kasi, ano po yan, Cesar nga.
almost.
Almost. Ay, naku, Abdul. Almost. Ah, tsura. Ha? Ah! Dali na.
The score is 47-17. Substitution.
May pag-uusapan na naman ang madinag na ano nito.
Yellow ball.
Ang mga daddy na
May
nito
pag-uusapan na naman ang mga madinag na daddies.
And there's a foul.
Foul yun. Pumalo siya. Pumalo yung kalaban.
Foul number 3. Number 3, that's your fourth personal foul. Fourth team foul, warning for penalty on yellow. Yellow warning for penalty. First second shot, no good. Rebound by yellow. Upper defense gauge, pink ball. Foul number 27. Number 27, that's your third personal foul.
Take your time. Take your time.
Third team foul. 5 minutes, 2 minutes and 46 seconds in the fourth quarter.
Check the board.
This is no good.
Take your time. Relax.
shot, no good.
Takbo!
Out of bounds, yellow ball.
Yellow.
Sub-
Yellow.
Substitution.
It's neat.
Also good by number 3, basket good.
Oya, Ali! Oya, Ali! Yeah! Yeah!
By number 41.
Defense! Defense! Lock that up! Lock that up! Lock that up!
Last 2 minutes. The score is 50-19 in favor of Coach A. Oh, and there's a foul. Foul on number 41 will be fouled. Warning for penalty, Coach A.
Oya, Ali! Wala! All the way! Well done!
Limo by number 3.
Hindi, pagbigyan niyo na.
Moving in the basket, and there's a foul.
Caleb, he fell.
Oh,
Ali. That's crazy.
Foul number 23 will be fouled. That's your second personal foul, penalty. 2 shots for number 3. First shot is good. Oh, wait.
Anong team sila?
Coach A daw.
Second shot is no good. Number 30.
Coach A kalaban nila. Movement. Movement.
Coach A, basketball. Time remaining, 56 seconds to the remaining fourth quarter. 50, 20 to 12.
Ali! Yeah! Yeah!
Out of bounds, yellow ball.
Kamigante. Wala na yan. Wala na.
Pero hindi ko sinasabi, maliit lang talaga eh. Maliit lang.
Dalawang kamay yung bangat mo.
Time out, Coach A.
Yun na, magkakapit.
Shot! Shot! Shot!
Time remaining, 13 seconds.
Parang yun.
13 seconds remaining in the last and final quarter. That's the end of our ball game. The score is 50-22 in favor of Coach A.
Yes! 15-22! Earl! Lumaki na naman ito.